Dirty alloy wheels can make even a clean car look neglected. Brake dust, road grime, and stubborn stains build up over time, making regular washing less effective. That's where a quality alloy wheel cleaner comes in. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best alloy wheel cleaners in 2026 that help remove dirt quickly, protect your wheels, and restore their shine. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply want your vehicle to look its best, this list will help you choose the right product for your needs. Number 5. The Chemical Guys Signature Series Wheel Cleaner Spray is an exceptionally versatile, citrus-based formula engineered specifically to safely obliterate stubborn brake dust, road grime, and industrial fallout from virtually any rim finish. Including sensitive gloss, chrome, painted, powder-coated, and clear-coated wheels. Packed in a standard ergonomic 16-ounce spray bottle with a durable trigger mechanism, its standout build feature is its highly concentrated composition, which allows detailing enthusiasts to use it full strength for heavy decontamination or dilute it up to an 8:1 ratio for routine maintenance washes. In real-life scenarios, this liquid spray works efficiently upon contact. When applied to heavily neglected wheels, it rapidly loosens caked on iron contaminants, grease, and mud, requiring only light agitation with a wheel brush before a clean pressure rinse. While it lacks the ultra-thick, clinging gel consistency of its sister product, Chemical Guys Diablo Gel. Its thinner viscosity allows it to displace dust instantly and flow deeply into tight lug nut wells and intricate multi-spoke designs where thicker gels might struggle to spread. When compared to market competitors like Megiyar's Ultimate Wheel Cleaner, which utilizes a pH-neutral, color-changing chemistry to target iron deposits. The Signature Series trades that active visual feedback for sheer raw value and customization via dilution, proving far more cost-effective over multiple washes. For everyday drivers and professional detailers dealing with heavy brake dust accumulation across varied vehicle fleets, this product provides excellent value for money because a single bottle stretches incredibly far without compromising finish safety. I highly recommend the Chemical Guys Signature Series to anyone looking for a reliable, highly customizable, and clear coat-safe workhorse cleaner that effortlessly restores a brilliant showroom shine to any wheel type. Number 4. The Car Guys Wheel Cleaner Spray is an exceptionally reliable and eco-conscious detailing solution specifically formulated to dissolve baked-on brake dust, road salt, and harsh contaminants from virtually any automotive exterior surface. Offered in an 18-ounce ergonomic trigger bottle, its primary build advantage is a highly concentrated, pH-neutral, and acid-free gel-like formula that ensures absolute surface safety. This makes it incredibly versatile, working effortlessly on delicate alloy, chrome, aluminum, painted, and plasti-dipped rims, while pulling double duty as a brilliant cleaner for white wall tires and exhaust tips without corroding calipers or breaking hardware. In real-life scenarios, its unique design aspect shines through its clingy gel consistency. Unlike runny liquid sprays that slide off vertical surfaces instantly, this formula sits and dwells on the rim face to chemically break down iron particles at a molecular level. While it does require a minimal 3 to 5 minute dwell time, followed by light mechanical agitation with a wheel woolly or brush for heavily neglected brake dust. The grime lifts away safely and rinses spot-free under a high-pressure stream. When compared to market competitors like P&S Brakebuster, Car Guys holds an edge in sheer surface versatility, particularly regarding tire browning and white walls, though it lacks the heavy foaming, thick suds profile often preferred for touchless foam cannon applications. Given its premium, non-toxic, and biodegradable chemical composition that eliminates the typical caustic smell of traditional wheel acids, it offers incredible value for money by providing peace of mind and replacing multiple separate products on your garage shelf. Ultimately, daily commuters with high-dust European brake pads, classic car owners maintaining pristine white wall tires, and detailing hobbyists seeking a safe, risk-free workhorse will benefit most from this product. I highly recommend the Car Guys Wheel Cleaner as a top-tier, gentle yet effective maintenance spray that safely preserves your wheel's factory finish. Number 3. The Chemical Guys Diablo Wheel Cleaner Spray 2-pack delivers an exceptionally gentle, Oxygen-infused detailing solution designed to safely lift away stubborn brake dust, road grime, and dirt from trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. Packaged in a highly convenient dual 16-ounce spray bottle configuration, its primary purpose is providing non-caustic water-based decontamination while ensuring absolute finish safety. The standout feature of this quality formulation is its advanced concentrated suspension technology, which encapsulates abrasive filth particles in a slick, lubricated, 100% pH-balanced oxygenated foam that prevents scratching delicate rim faces during agitation. This makes it universally compatible with everything from standard alloy and chrome to custom-painted, powder-coated, carbon fiber, and matte wheel finishes. In real-life scenarios, the user-friendly, ready-to-use spray coats complex multi-spoke rims effortlessly and delivers a pleasant bubblegum-like fragrance that completely eliminates the harsh chemical odors common to traditional wheel acids, while the pre-thinned spray formula doesn't cling to vertical barrels quite as long as Diablo's thick gel concentrate counterpart. It compensates by flowing deeply into tight lug nut recesses and intricate spoke pockets. When compared to color-changing reactive competitors like Sonax Full Effect, Diablo trades that active chemical bleeding effect for superior surface safety and brush lubrication, though it may require slightly more physical agitation on deeply embedded, neglected iron deposits. This 2-pack configuration offers outstanding value for money for multi-vehicle households, as it provides plenty of premium, clear coat safe product for frequent maintenance washes without breaking the bank. Ultimately, detailing hobbyists, weekend warriors, and owners of high-end vehicles or custom rims who perform regular upkeep will benefit most from this scratch-resistant formula. I highly recommend the Chemical Guys Diablo Spray 2-pack to anyone looking for a sweet-smelling, incredibly safe, and reliable staple cleaner to maintain a spot-free, brilliant showroom shine across all their vehicles. Number 2. The Holley Wheel Clean All-Wheel Cleaner and Brake Dust Remover 2-pack is a standout addition to the brand's high-performance car care lineup. Developed in partnership with Malco Automotive to bring professional-grade detailing power straight to automotive enthusiasts. Engineered specifically to tackle the punishing brake dust, grease, and road grime that accumulates after hard track laps or heavy highway miles. Its primary purpose is delivering an efficient, heavy-duty clean without compromising surface safety. The key build characteristic of this quality formula is its entirely acid-free composition, making it universally safe for virtually all wheel types, including delicate alloys, clear coats, aluminum, and painted rims, as well as adjacent tire walls. Performance-wise, Holley Wheel Clean features a unique, slightly thickened sprayable design that allows the product to cling and dwell on vertical wheel barrels rather than running off immediately. In real-life scenarios, this extended dwelling action chemically loosens baked-on iron particles and track film, ensuring that users enjoy an incredibly easy process requiring minimal physical scrubbing before a high-pressure rinse. When compared to traditional retail competitors like Eagle One All-Wheel and Tire Cleaner, which often rely on harsher chemistry, Holley's collaboration with Malco provides a commercial strength solution that strips away tough grease and dirt without the risk of etching or staining expensive custom wheels. In terms of market value, getting this high-performance formula in a convenient 16-ounce 2-pack offers excellent value for money, stretching your dollar further for multi-car households or frequent race day cleanups. Ultimately, detailing hobbyists, grassroots racers, classic muscle car owners, and daily commuters fighting aggressive brake pads will benefit immensely from this product's balance of raw cleaning power and finish safety. I highly recommend the Holley Wheel Clean 2-pack as an essential, worry-free addition to any garage setup, successfully translating the legendary Holley performance mindset into a reliable, showroom-quality wheel maintenance routine. Number 1. The Chemical Guys Signature Series Orange Degreaser Spray is a professional strength, citrus-based all-purpose cleaner engineered to effortlessly obliterate the most stubborn oil, grease, mud, and road grime from engines, tires, undercarriages, and workshop tools. Housed in an ergonomic 16-ounce spray bottle with a heavy-duty, chemical-resistant trigger mechanism, its standout build feature is its highly concentrated, hyper-surfactant formula derived from natural citrus extracts. This unique design aspect allows detailing enthusiasts and professionals alike to customize its strength. enabling extreme dilution up to 21 for light interior or vinyl cleaning, or running it at a potent 6:1 ratio for filthy mechanical components. In real-life scenarios, the product performs exceptionally well. When sprayed onto a heavily caked engine bay or muddy wheel well, the D-limonene chemistry breaks down molecular bonds within seconds, emulsifying thick grease so it can be agitated lightly and rinsed away spot-free without leaving behind a chalky white residue. When compared to traditional petroleum-based competitors like gunk engine Degreaser, Chemical Guys trades harsh, volatile organic compound chemical fumes for a crisp, pleasant citrus scent, while offering far greater surface safety since it won't dry out rubber hoses or stain adjacent plastic trim. From a financial perspective, it provides outstanding value for money compared to ready-to-use retail competitors, because a single 16-ounce bottle can produce multiple gallons of highly effective, multi-surface cleaning solution. Ultimately, DIY garage mechanics, professional auto detailers maintaining commercial fleets, and casual hobbyists tackling deep seasonal cleanups will benefit enormously from having this flexible workhorse on their shelves. I highly recommend the Chemical Guys Signature Series Orange Degreaser as an essential, high-quality, an incredibly versatile cleaning staple that masterfully bridges the gap between raw, industrial-grade cutting power and everyday surface safety. Choosing the right alloy wheel cleaner can save you time and keep your wheels looking clean and protected for longer. Each product on this list offers something different, whether it's powerful cleaning, gentle formulas, or great value for money. We hope this video helps you find the perfect wheel cleaner for your car. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow car lovers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.